here's sugar. Now, if I join this over
It's
to my
like
banana,
spice.
here's my banana.
It's like sprinkles.
Okay, and I put this on the banana, is it's going to be fine? No? You sure? Okay, there you go. I've joined it to the banana.
I'll eat it.
You'd eat it? It's fine, of course. It's sugar and a banana. It's actually quite nice. Sugar and banana.
Can I try
Yep.
this one? Eat this one.
It's fine. It's sugar and a banana. Here we are. Ava, you want to try a sugar banana?
Yummy.
It's nice.
Yummy.
It
It's
is.
very
Okay,
yummy.
so an adult said you can eat a sugar and a banana. So I'm mixing foods here. And normally you wouldn't. What are you going to do there? Do you want to eat the banana?
that.
No, you can't eat the whole sugar. There's heaps of sugar there. Normally you wouldn't eat that much sugar, but let's join that together. Okay, sugar and banana. So that's mixing foods together. So you always need to ask an adult if you can mix the food together.
Move it.
Are we on the same page? Yep.
Now put this in your mouth now.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is
Okay,
this here is called baking soda. Okay, sit over here. Okay.
Ow.
So we're going to put some baking soda.
Who hurt me?
Okay,
Daddy.
in my mouth.
Dad.
Okay. Do you think you can mix baking soda?
Daddy.
Baking soda. There we go. There's some baking soda. Okay, so that actually looks very similar to the sugar, isn't it?
It's the same colour.
It's the same colour, but it's different. I don't really want that one.
I want one.
Alright, you can have. Did you ask? What was that? Do you think it's a mint?
Yes.
No, well, it's out of the mint thing, so you are correct. Okay. So what's
So I
that? What's
can
it?
eat it.
You can eat it. You can eat it.
Hi, Ava.
Okay, because you asked a parent. Okay, well, what's that? Does that look like sugar? Okay, it was called baking soda, and we're going to mix them together. Here we go. Yeah, some baking soda.
Does it taste weird or not?
Fine.
It's getting it on me. That's why it hopped off.
I'm colouring. I'm colouring. You want some colouring?
Look your lips.
It's fine. It's just baking soda. It's just sugar. Okay, you're always going to ask a parent if you can mix them together. So colouring. Ready? Green now. Okay.
Your teeth is.
It's green. Okay. Now we've got some bacon, some white vinegar.
I'm not scared.
Not good. Well, you always need to ask a parent
What your daddy?
if you can mix them together. Are you ready?
What about your daddy?
Are you ready? Okay, the kids are running out of the room. We now know not to mix certain things together. Achieve that result. All success. Ryan Seville. One of them back.